Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. Also, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you guys a beautiful new year. And today I'm going to be showing you guys two really cute ponytail hairstyles using the InsertNameHere ponytails that they sent over. And I'm so excited. Thank you so much to InsertNameHere for sending these. They also were kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys to use if you wanted to shop some of their products. I'll have their links and everything in the description box below, and also the coupon code in the description as well. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. So the first pony I'm gonna be using is the Miya in the color Ash Blonde, which is just the closest color we could get because I do have warm and cool tone blonde in my hair. So we just decided to go with like a cooler tone. So it looks like this. And then there's one piece that comes curled so that you can like wrap it around. And I'll go in depth about how I do that. Okay, so this does come with two bobby pins, as you can see. So I'm just gonna set those to the side. So when you unwrap it, it has this little hook so that you can hook over your pony and then use this Velcro to then wrap it around. Okay, so some things you're gonna need for this is just some hairspray. This is mainly just for my baby hairs because they get all over the place, so I need to tame them down. A brush, and then a rat tail comb, just so that you can do like your part, and then some bobby pins. I'm gonna be doing a low ponytail today. So to start off, I'm gonna go straight back like that. I shaved my baby hairs a while ago, just because I wanted like a crisp hairline, and now they grow coming straight down into my face. Like even if I try to put them like to the side or gel them to the side, it's extremely hard. They will not stay. So just be careful, like don't shave your baby hairs. So I kind of came forward a little bit with my part and I like brushed everything back just so it looks like a more full pony. Okay, so I'm just like with this comb pulling it back. You can use a brush if you want, but I feel like a comb gives me more precise like brush down. I know this looks weird, but wait. Boom, this side looks so precise. Sorry, I'm so bad at explaining stuff, but you can like see what I'm doing. It's crazy because the majority of my ponytail is like dark. It just looks like a few highlights. Now I'm gonna go in with this little brush. Not me slaying this. Then you just want to take your hair tie, secure your pony. But now we can add this. See, the color's a little off. It's like hard to match my hair because I have pieces that match. See, like my ends match, but like up here doesn't. Okay, so this is my ponytail just like by itself. And then I'm going to put this in. I'm going to turn around so you guys can get a better look. Hopefully you guys can like see what I'm actually doing. You have your pony, you have the clip, and you want to clip it down into your pony and then wrap this around. I try and do it really tight because there's Velcro, so it's like super secure. And then this kind of just covers up any of the Velcro or anything. And then this is what's left. So you tuck it underneath. You grab your bobby pin. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I hope so. And then you tuck it up. Grab your other bobby pin. Same thing. I tucked it up here. And there you have your pony. Like, I'm sorry, Ariana Grande. Who? So don't look at my messy floor. I tried to move it out of the frame, but obviously not good enough. And see how my little ponytail is like in the middle of it all? It's like inside of here. So, boom. See, so this is kind of like where it hits me. So cute. Period. And then I don't want to do a low pony for this look. I actually want to do a high up pony, and I don't want it to be like this. I'm just gonna go like this. This one's more like party, fun vibes, you know? My hair's like hard. Okay, so I'm just going up like this, kind of scooping all my hair up. Boom, just like that. Now I'm just gonna secure it with a ponytail or a rubber band, whatever you call it. Let me see if I can kind of brush this out a little. Much better. And tie. Okay. So once you have it where you want it, which this is cute, I really like this, party vibes. Now I'm going to be using the Jordynn in the ash blonde, and this one's, I believe it's a little bit shorter than the other pony I used. This one's got some nice curl to it, and also comes with 2 bobby pins, so I'm just going to remove those really quick. Okay, wait, I'm so coming in 2022 with these hair looks. So it's the same thing as the last one. I can't turn around because it's like so high you won't be able to see, but insert in and down and then grab it, hold it really tightly, Velcro. Okay, and then grab your bobby pins. I'm like actually so obsessed with this hairstyle and I've never done it before. Okay, wait. Okay, so see, my hair got kind of crazy. So that's what the hairspray's for. So you can spray directly your hair or you can spray the toothbrush and just kind of comb what you see. And like this, boom. This one's not meant to look so like clean like the last one, but like obviously get it to how you like it. And then hairspray. How cute. I really love this one. This one's like so fun. So I hope you guys enjoy these 2 ponytail looks I came up with for you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And also make sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite, the first or the second. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.